Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video in the audio install. So this video is gonna be how to mount up your door speakers in your 4Runner and your hatch speakers. So for me, I got all four of those speakers are the exact same. So all four of them are gonna mount up the exact same way. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna take the supplied mounting point from Crutchfield. You're gonna take your speaker, you're gonna locate your leads, which are right here. Locate that hole, kinda mount up your speaker to that and kind of pull it into itself. So if you see right there how the speaker has holes to mount itself up into, just gonna leave it like that for a second. So all this hardware comes in the bags with the mounting plates. So you have 4 screws, and all you're gonna do is just send the screws through. See, it's bringing up the mount to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all 4 in, all 4 screws. So the way this one actually just tightens itself is you just keep screwing in the screws. It tightens itself to it really well, actually. And you see how the screw just stops itself? So no need for the actual hardware, because you can use these for multiple applications. Just keep tightening the screw down and it stops itself. Do not over tighten it because it is plastic. Bam, and just like that, it's all on, very secure. And because of the way this plastic is and this particular speaker, all you had to do is just screw it on, and it should not go anywhere. It's pretty good. So now the reason I said line the ends here up with this hole is you're going to take the supplied harness, fish it through this hole like so, and then connect it to the ends right here. There you go. Be careful not to break that, but now they're on there pretty tight. So this is all supplied. So this is just gonna plug right into your factory harness, and the reason I said go through that hole right there is because if you don't, then you're gonna have to like go through your door and add wire and everything. This will come straight out, boom, plug right in, and it'll be perfect. So go ahead and do this for all 4 or for all 2 back doors and your rear hatch if you got the same exact speakers for both. The mounting to this is the exact same. So if this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.